Asphalt street paving in Mandeville, Louisiana. Well, asphalt streets have many advantages over streets paved with other materials. And over 90% of the roads in the US are made of asphalt, so there must be good reasons why this is so. First, there's the ease of driving and safety of the road. Asphalt streets have a high skid resistance, making it safer to drive on, especially when it's wet. And another big advantage is the dark color of the road. The markers on the road, which are usually in yellow or white, are easier to see with the contrasting color of the road. The asphalt roads are also smoother than concrete or other roads due to their uniform surface. These smooth asphalt roads also decreases friction, which results in better gas mileage for the cars or trucks who travel these roads. It's also cost-effective to use asphalt. They're cost-effective for the drivers. By providing a smoother ride, they decrease the wear and tear on the vehicles that drive on them, thus saving the drivers money. They're also cost-effective for the cities and the owners of the roads. The asphalt roads can be built cheaper and quicker than other road surfaces, and also the smoothness of the road extends the life of the road, thus decreasing the lifetime cost. There's not a lot of downtime when paving a new road. The work crews can close one lane and then finish the job in the other. And once the last step is complete, which are the rollers packing down the road, then traffic can quickly resume. All of these things save time and money for the city or the roadway owners. Asphalt is also environmentally friendly. The asphalt itself is 100% recyclable and requires less energy to produce and build than other paving materials. Also, the noise from the roads are greatly reduced with asphalt. Compared to other surfaces, the highway noise can be reduced by as much as 7 decibels. Asphalt roads are also very attractive. They are designed to be aesthetically pleasing. There are no built-in cracks in an asphalt road and are built to blend in with the natural surroundings. Chris Paving LLC has been paving Mandeville, Louisiana streets since 1997. Call today for a free estimate on your asphalt street paving project. We're Chris Paving LLC, and you can contact us at 985-960-2131, or you can visit us online at chrispaving.com.